So, future simple, as we already have discussed in the tenses, that future simple is when we are talking about future and we are sure about it, we are definite about it. That's what we call future. Now, when we were talking about tenses, then sentences used to be subject oriented. मैं करूंगा, तुम करोगे, सौरभ करेगा, मैं क्लास के बाद डिनर लूंगा, ऐसे सेंटेंस बनते थे. Here the same thing is there. The basic thing about future simple is that whatever you are talking for future, you are absolutely sure. There is no doubt. Right? But here the sentences will be object sentence. It will be done. It will not be done. ऐसा कर लिया जाएगा, ऐसा होगा. जैसे हम एग्जाम्पल लें, you have any problem? For example, you have given your bike to be repaired. तो वो बंदा कहेगा कि सर within 2 hours your bike will be repaired. 2 घंटे के अंदर आपकी बाइक रिपेयर हो जाएगी. This problem will be resolved within a week. 1 वीक के अंदर ये प्रॉब्लम रिजॉल्व हो जाएगी. ठीक है? You don't worry, your money will be transferred soon. You don't worry, your money will be transferred soon. Right? You have worked hard too much. You will be promoted soon. इस सेंटेंस की खूबसूरती को देखें. The first is present perfect active voice. You have worked hard too much. You will be promoted soon. Second is future simple passive. तुमने बहुत मेहनत की है, जल्दी ही तुम्हारा प्रमोशन हो जाएगा. ठीक है? I have already talked to the management. You will be given separate batch. Another sentence can be, you don't worry, your money will be refunded. You don't worry, your money will be refunded. Okay? So these kind of sentences, this kind of situation will be used in passive voice future perfect. है ना? There can be some other examples as well, जो हम उसमें भी बनाते थे, वैसे ही सेंटेंस बनेंगे. Until and unless your problems are resolved. Until and unless your problems are resolved, I will not be restless. या I will not be relaxed. जब तक तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं होती है, मैं रिलैक्स नहीं होऊंगा. तो मैंने आपको बताया था कि when we use until, unless, if we do not use future simple, we use present simple. I think you must have remembered. When we were talking future simple tenses, I already said that if, unless, until, till, this part of the sentence, we do not use will, we do not use future simple. Instead, we use present simple. So the sentence that I told you, until and unless your problems are resolved, I will not be relaxed. जब तक तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं होती है, पहला सेंटेंस प्रेजेंट सिंपल पैसिव वॉइस, I will not be relaxed. फ्यूचर सिंपल पैसिव, मैं रिलैक्स नहीं होऊंगा. until and unless your money will be given to you, until and unless your money will be given to you, I will not stop following him. जब तक तुम्हारा पैसा तुमको नहीं मिलता है, मैं उसको फॉलो करना बंद नहीं करूंगा. ठीक है ना? All facilities will be given to you, I promise. Whatever I have promised, whatever I have promised will be given to you. Even whatever has not been promised, even whatever has not been promised will also be given to you. Don't worry. I hope you understand the beauty of future simple in passive voice